motion.
We're going to enjoy it. And it's a marathon, window, and then I do this. Let me check. Whatever, I can't do it anymore. Oh, this really weird sounded. It was funny.
I just made a video on it, and I did deep voice. I just made a video on it, and so yeah.
I'm doing depressed. I just hate living. Who do I hate? I'm trying to think who I hate. No, I don't hate anybody. Oh wait, sorry, let me think back. I hate Justin Bieber. If you guys have any complaints about it, don't dare comment or anything. You know what, wait, I gotta get all depressed.
Like I just said, I just enjoy it. I hate Justin Bieber because I just hate him. I don't know why. I mean, like, first of all, he didn't smoke pot. One Direction didn't smoke pot. So, he can, yeah, I don't like boys who didn't smoke pot. So, I don't like, whatever, Justin Bieber is hard to do. And, like, so yeah.
So, if you got a problem with it, don't even call it. Just send me a message. Don't watch my videos. God, so every time I'm gonna bring it up. Yeah. Jesus. I'm not doing so mean. I just don't like Justin Bieber. I like One Direction. I just don't like Justin Bieber. Yeah, if there's one to think Justin Bieber, I pick Justin Bieber. I don't like the Wanted. Actually, take that back. I kind of well, if there's others, I'd pick both because the Wanted's not that bad, but Justin Bieber's not that bad too. It's just I don't like him, but I like some of his songs. Like I just don't like him. I guess it wasn't that hard. I like playing with my hair. I don't let you pull wake up. Get tired because it's still 1 in the morning. 2 in the morning, 1:37 a.m. to 9:13. I should get to bed and take a basketball game, but I don't want to go to bed. I'm hungry. Why don't I do that sound again?
There we go. Hear it? Yeah. Well, I probably will sing songs later, but not now. Okay, ready? Bye, guys. I'm gonna miss you so much. Bye. Just call and go to. I'm just joking. No, just bye. Please subscribe. I can't say it. Please watch my videos. and stuff.